Way Station by Jeff Coleman writes, Come, sit, warm yourself by my fire. It's not every day someone makes it out this far. You must have many questions. What's that? You'll have to come closer. My ears aren't what they used to be. Yes, that's what I thought you asked. You're not going to make this easy on an old woman, are you? Very well. Stop looking at me like that. I'll tell you what you want to know. It was a long time ago, you understand, and I can't be expected to remember everything. These were the old times, when the world was still new, still blazing with the wild, newborn magic of creation. Yes, as a matter of fact, I was there when the world was made, and I'm old enough to remember what came before, too, but we can talk about that later. Now, where was I? The creation of the world? I was there when the Maker spoke the word. There were many words that came after, of course, but that was the first. This was the prototype, the foundation on which everything else was built, the font from which all other words derived their meanings and their power. It was the word that gave birth to the world that nourished the word that even now sustains the world. Well now, what else would the universe be made of? At the root of everything, at the heart of creation, there is only will made manifest. Quite simply, the world exists because the Maker wishes it, and a good thing for you and I. Wouldn't you agree? You say your father told you a different story? I see. He said the universe started with a bang, that the world we know today was birthed not by the utterance of a divine word, but within the celestial light of a star. Well, he's not wrong, you know. I was there. I should know. As an elder, I witnessed it all. The fireworks were rather spectacular. A shame you couldn't have been there. What do you mean? You demand the truth. You believe I deceived you? That both stories can't be true? That's the trouble with you humans. You're so quick to dismiss a mystery as paradox and contradiction. Yes, it was the word that created the world, just as it was the motion of matter and energy that produced the world. One was the cause, the other the method. And I'll tell you a secret. The world isn't finished yet. That's right. How can it be when everything is in a constant state of change? I'll tell you another secret. You're a part of it. The word is within you, as it is within me. And by the simple act of living, by making decisions and effecting change, you become a not so insignificant part of the Maker's work. The mark you leave on the word is indelible and everlasting. You don't understand? Well, I'll tell you one more secret. Neither do I. What is life, after all, but one grand cosmic mystery? If you didn't leave the light of my fire with more questions than answers, I'd question your intelligence. But I knew you were special from the start. That's why you made it this far. And now I'm here to teach you that life's a journey, that my humble fire is but a way station, one among many. No, please, stay as long as you like. Some move on quickly, but others linger, and there's no shame in that. Take all the time you need to ask, ponder, and learn. No two journeys are ever the same, and some require more deliberation than others. Just be warned, there's no going back, no returning to the way things were. You should have learned that already, having made it this far. But I want to be certain you understand that time and change are a one-way trip. One day the world will return to the Maker, and you and I and everything else will be swept away along with it. That's the ultimate destination, the point at which everyone's journey converges. There can be no turning back, and you would do well to look forward and keep your eyes fixed on the horizon. Yes, it is a mystery, one of many, and unfortunately, there are no satisfying answers, at least on this side of time. No, I think that's enough for now. Rest. The stars, along with my fire, will keep you warm. And when you wake, I'll be here to answer more of your questions. That's why I'm here, after all.